This is the kit of oil heater plus thermostat to be installed on a Morris power unit. The kit consists of the heating element, the thermostat, the fixing bracket, and 2 fixing screws. The heating element is voltage specific. Blue wires 400 volts, while black wires 230 single phase, each one accompanied by the specific thermostat. Take the heating element, put the element inside the tank and lean the heating element on the bottom of the tank under the pump. Bring the wires inside the connection box. Wind up and fix with a plastic tie the extra cable length. Outstretch the wire of the oil temperature sensor and put it inside the tank. Identify the heating wire with the white connector and connect it to the thermostat, replacing the empty red connector. The two connectors you have to use on the thermostat are the two outermost ones. Please do not use the central ones. Place the thermostat inside the connection box and fix it with the two supplied screws. Take the white wire coming out from the thermostat and place it inside the connector box using the lower openings. Do the same with the other oil resistor wire. Put it inside the connector box from below. The white and the black wires must be connected to position 11 and 12. Now the installation is complete. The thermostat and the oil resistor are wired, and the thermostat has a factory setting you do not need to change. The set temperature is between 20 and 25 degrees.